Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I would switch it up and go through my trash with you guys. I have been going through products like crazy and I decided to just throw them in a box. The box is completely full. I actually love watching these kind of videos on YouTube. I find them super informative. I'm very surprised that I don't have one single empties video on my channel. So I thought I would do that with you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like it if you do, and if you would like me to do more videos like this, I can definitely do that. Let's just jump right into it because I do have a lot of stuff to show you guys. So let's go. Okay, so I actually have a lot of setting sprays to get through. I go through a lot of setting sprays. So I have some drugstore setting sprays and then some high-end. So I'll just start off with the drugstore first. So I absolutely love the Wet n Wild setting sprays. This one is the Photo Focus Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water. And then this one is the Photo Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray. If I had to choose between the two, I would for sure pick this one, hands down. This one has a coconut scent, so if you're not a fan of coconut, I wouldn't get this one. Although the smell doesn't linger or anything like that. It just, when you spray it, you could smell coconut, but then it, fades away. And I like this one. It gives you very nice natural finish, and I really do enjoy this one, but I probably wouldn't repurchase it again. I would definitely repurchase this one for sure though. This is one of my favorite drugstore setting sprays. It just gives me this beautiful, nice overall finish. It keeps my makeup on all day long. And you guys, I cannot find this anywhere. It's sold out everywhere. So if you can find this, pick up two, because number one, it works really nicely. And number two, it's super affordable. And number three, you probably won't be able to find it for a while because I don't know what's going on, but I can't find it anywhere. And I wish I could find it, but I can't. So another drugstore setting spray that I love is the NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. This is also amazing and it keeps your makeup looking nice and fresh all day long. I think I spoke about this before, but I did go to a wedding last year in the summertime, super hot. And I just sprayed this on my face and I went to the wedding. I was outside all day. It was very hot. We were even out there at night. It was super duper windy after. When I got back to the hotel room, I thought for sure my makeup probably looked like crap, but it didn't. It looked flawless. I was very surprised how nice it looked. I didn't even want to take it off because it just looked really nice. So definitely recommend this setting spray. I even picked another one up recently just because it's really that good and it's super affordable as well. So I also went through some MILANI setting sprays. This one smells so nice. I don't know what it is, but I just love the scent. This is really nice as well. It pretty much does the same thing as those ones, except this one is a little bit more. I don't know, but I always find MILANI to be a little bit higher priced for drugstore makeup, but I do find it worth it just because their products are very nice and I do love how they do work on my skin. So I definitely recommend this setting spray as well. Very good, and it does make your makeup last a long time. It's very lightweight and it does claim to hold your makeup for 16 hours. And yeah, it's just a really nice setting spray. I don't know what else to say about it, but it's good. Okay, moving on to the higher end setting sprays. So I absolutely love the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This is an OG favorite. I'm sure everybody has used this setting spray. There is a tiny bit left still in here. Why did I put that in there? It must not come out though. Yeah. But it smells really good. It's a nice skin refresher, and if you need to spritz your glitter shadows, or you just need to freshen up your face or set your makeup, or even before starting your makeup, give yourself that nice hydration, I definitely recommend this setting spray. It's a little pricier than the other ones, but like I said, the other ones work, I feel, just as good as this one. So that's why I haven't repurchased a new one of these, just because I do find that the other ones work just as good. Last but not least is the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Now this one is hands down the best one out of all of them. This one will make your makeup last a really long time. And this one is super, well, it's not super pricey, but compared to those ones, it's pretty pricey. This is like my absolute holy grail setting sprays. This is just one that everybody uses, and it's just because it's really good and it actually does keep your makeup looking really nice all night. That's why it's called the all-nighter spray. Okay, so next up is this moisturizer. This is the Belief True Cream Aqua Bomb. And I got this because Casey Holmes would rave about it. I'm not sure if she still does. And I didn't really like it, and I would not purchase this again. It did give me some hydration, but I didn't notice anything like too special about it. I did use it all up because it was pricey, and so yeah, I mean, it smells good. It was a nice like blue pretty color, which was pretty, but I just didn't really find that it did anything like special, so I would not repurchase this again. Now, a moisturizer that I would repurchase again is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. So this is for a combination to oily skin. It's 100% fragrance free, and it just softens and smooths and improves the texture of your skin. I love this moisturizer, and I feel like it just laid really nicely underneath my makeup, and it kept my skin nice and hydrated and plump all throughout the day. I actually should purchase another one of these. So you get, how much do you get in here? 4.2 fluid ounces, and it's actually not too pricey, and it does actually work. It will keep your face looking nice and moisturized all day long, and it will keep your makeup looking really nice. I always feel like you need a nice base, a nice moisturizer before you go in with foundation, because that will really play a big part in how your foundation is going to look. Sometimes if your foundation is looking a little too cakey or too drying, you may want to look at the moisturizer that you're using, because your moisturizer should give you a nice hydrated moisturized feel so that your foundation can lay on top really nicely. So next up is the Jergens Natural Glow Instant Sun Deep Bronze Sunless Tanning Mousse. I have talked about this a bunch of times on my channel. I actually self-tanned today. This is a very nice natural kind of self-tanner. It gives you like this really nice sun-kissed kind of look. It's very affordable. I've gone through so many of these. I always keep repurchasing it. Just make sure you get the one that says Deep Bronze. Well, wait, no, you don't have to get the one that says Deep Bronze, but this is the one that I get. I just find that the other one would be too, I feel like it would leave me looking orange, where this one, I don't know, it just, I don't feel like it leaves me looking orange. I feel like it gives me just a really nice sun-kissed kind of look. So if you're looking for an affordable self-tanner, definitely recommend this guy. All right, so next up is bronzer. So I have gone through a lot of these. This is probably like my third or fourth one of these. So this is the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. This is also an OG favorite. And yeah, there's like a tiny bit left. It's kind of all broken. So it has a nice matte silky finish. There's no like shimmer or anything in it. I feel like it lasts a really long time, and I just love the way it applies on my skin. It's one of my favorite bronzers. It is a little bit pricey, but it will last you a really long time. Another bronzer that I loved and went through is the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and this one is in Private Island. This one is also really nice. There's no shimmer or anything to it, and it just applied really nicely on my skin. I did, however, find that I went through it like super quickly. Like this one I feel like lasted way longer than the Fenty one. Let me see how much is in here. 8.0 grams, and this one is 6.3. Okay, maybe that's why. So I guess because there's more in this one. But yeah, I just feel like I went through this super quickly, but I did love it, and I absolutely love the packaging. It's very pretty. I'm probably not even going to throw this out just because I do love the packaging. All right, let's move on to foundation. This is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow in Natural Beige. This foundation is absolutely beautiful, and I would definitely repurchase it again. However, For some reason, the price has just been jacked up to $19.99, I believe, and I cannot find it for less than that. So I just don't really feel like paying $20 for a drugstore foundation. I'm probably just gonna wait until it goes on sale. But this is a beautiful foundation. It gives you a radiant finish. It's for normal to dry skin, and it just gives you this really nice overall glow. And like I said, I would definitely repurchase it again. It's just that it's very pricey right now, and yeah, I'm just not willing to spend $20 on a drugstore foundation. So hopefully it goes on sale, and I would definitely pick one up if it does. Okay, so another foundation that I finished up is the MILANI Conceal and Perfect Medium to Full Coverage Lightweight Foundation. So it just looks like this. I have a love-hate relationship with this foundation. I do like it, but sometimes I find it to be a little bit too heavy, too drying. So what I've been doing is just mixing it in with other foundations, and I find like I like it like that better. It is like full coverage, and it does give you this nice flawless finish. I just find it to be a little bit too heavy, where it can almost look like just too cakey. I love that it comes with a pump. I really like that. And yeah, the bottle is glass. I like the packaging. It's very pretty, and I would recommend this foundation, but I wouldn't recommend it if you have dry skin. So skip on this foundation if you have dry skin. All right, so we got concealers. So I went through a lot of concealers recently. So this is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Concealer. This is really nice, and I find that it has great coverage. And I did remove the like stopper inside just so that I could get every bit out of there. I do love the applicator that it comes with, and I do find that it is a nice full coverage concealer. So I really do like this one. And then another concealer that I absolutely love is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is very hydrating under the eye. I do have a lot of fine lines under my eyes, and it tends to be a little bit dry under my eyes. So I do need a concealer that's going to hydrate my under eyes and not dry them out. So if you have the same problem, then I definitely recommend this one. And the concealer that beats all of those is the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This one is super duper full coverage. It's beautiful. It's one of my favorite concealers ever. It is very pricey, and I hate though that I cannot get the stopper from out of here. I still see that there is some product left in there, but I just cannot get it out. So if you know how to get the stopper out of this one, please let me know, because yeah, it just kills me to throw this out and I can see that there's still product at the bottom. I do find it to be nice and hydrating underneath my eyes, and I like the coverage, and yeah, this is just a very good concealer. All right, so I have a little perfume bottle to show you guys. This is from H&M, and this is called T-Shirt. This perfume smells so nice, and it does come in a bigger size, but I don't know, I always get the small one. If you like that fresh linen kind of scent, if you're a weirdo like me, definitely recommend this perfume. This is the second time I've purchased it, so definitely recommend this one if you like to smell like fresh washed sheets, towels. Okay, and last but not least, I have some nude liquid lipsticks. So I have the Stay Matte liquid lip color by Rimmel. This is a Latte to Go. This is my favorite. Is it gonna focus? Yes. So this is my favorite lipstick to add to the center of my lips, or even just by themselves. I like wearing Cork by MAC, and then I put this all over my lips. It just gives you this nice nude lip color. I also love the AOA Studio Wonder Metal liquid lipstick in Naked. This one is also pretty much a nude shade, and it also looks nice on its own, or even just in the center of the lip. Just looks like that. I'll show you the Latte to Go, even though I do feature this a lot on my channel. It's right there. Yeah, that's what those look like. And I also love the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pure Hollywood liquid lipstick. Let's see if I can get anything out of here. And this is just more of a nice pinky nude. That one right there. So as you can see, they're all nudes, but they're all different in their own way. So I love all these liquid lipsticks, and yes, I would repurchase them again, and I actually have repurchased this one recently, the one by Rimmel, and then the one by Anastasia Beverly Hills. All right, you guys, so this concludes my empties video. I hope you guys found it helpful and maybe got some ideas on what you want to spend your money on and what you don't want to spend your money on. Let me know if you want me to do more videos like this, and I definitely will. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.